Hey guys, Saurabh this side. Today we are going to see how to add two numbers represented in a linked list. So this is a lead code problem, and here we can see the example how we have to add it. Here, if you will see, these two linked lists are represented by three nodes. One is having value 2, 4, 3. Other is having 5, 6, 4. If you will add it, it will become 7, 4, 6. It will be 10. They are taking the 0 and carry forward it will be to the next node 3 4 and plus 1 digit 8. If you will see the next example here, in second example they have given where there is no data in linked list. In that case we have to give the output as 0, so that also we have to handle the condition. Next condition will be one more linked list where they are telling length may not be equal. So how we have to handle if length is not equal? So that also we are going to see. And this program I am going to write in Golang. Separate video I will create for Java as well, so that people who are writing code on Java, so they can refer that second video. And here this in this video we are using Golang. Logic will be same, on just syntax will be changed. So let's start how we have to proceed. So if you will see, this is a functional problem. They have given this function and we have to complete this function. It's not like you have to write from scratch. So here everything they have written, and they have parameterized. They have given two parameter. One is linked list L1, other one is L2, and you have to return one linked list pointer. Here you have to return a pointer. So let's start from here only. We will create some linked list called output linked list I am going to create. That is of list node. Output will return, but it should be a pointer, so let me hold address of this. We can return output dot next I will return, because firstly it may be 0. So let's return this, because if there is no data, in that case also we will be giving 0 here. Okay, so that 0 it will handle. So second case it will pass with this. Now we have to write some logic so that we can. Now main thing is this is our head where we are actually going to point. So let's hold it in some temporary variable called tmp. Let's create one temp variable where output will be there. Now let's execute the for loop on these linked lists L1 and L2. Till what point will execute? Till L1 not equal to nil. And or L2 not equal to nil. So here we are going to write the logic. And one more thing, if you will see here in this example, one carry forward was there here. 4 plus 6 was 10. 0 they have taken here, and carry forward at 1 to next node. So here also, to maintain that carry forward part, I will take one integer variable called carry colon equal to 0, so that we can handle it. Now what we have to fetch element from both lists. So let's say one element I have taken from first list, which is as a 0 by default I will take if this is not nil. If L1 not equal to nil, so we can assign value and we can read from this L1 dot val. Sam will take one more variable called by equal to 0. If L2 not equal to nil, if it is not null, we'll read it into by equal to L2 dot nil, L2 dot y val. So now we have value. Okay, now we'll create some. We have to add it. So for some we'll do x plus by plus carry I will do, so that if any carry is there, by first time it will be 0. So next time if any carry we are going to assign, that it will be added here. Now we have to handle carry part. So let's add in carry. What will be the carry now? Sum divided by 10. Let's say this was 10. So 10, if you will divide by 10, it will become 1. So carry will 1. And what will be the value that we have to assign? That value we can take. Value will be some modulus 10. So modulus 10 means it will give the reminder, means reminder will be actual value here. So what we have to do, since we have taken one temporary variable called tmp, so in tmp dot next we can store it tmp dot next equal to, what we will do, we'll create one new node, list node, and in that value will keep p comma nil. So it will create one node where value will be this sum, and next it will point to nil. Since we have taken this, now temp we can point to next node. Let's say 2 plus 4 here, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 5 are 7. Now next we have to point this, currently temp was here, now we have to move it to next node. So 4 plus 6 next, so current dot next, not now what we can do, we can temp, we can point to temp dot next. Okay, so temp is moved there. Now what we have to do, we have to iterate over linked list. So if L1 not equal to nil, so what we'll do, L1 equal to L1 dot next. Similarly for if L2 not equal to nil, what we'll do, L2 equal to L2 dot next. Okay, this we have iterated. Now one more problem is here. See, currently this was 3 4 and one carry was there here 8. If what if it was 9 here, 3 plus 9 and one more carry will be there, so that carry we have to handle outside. Okay, that carry we have to handle outside, so we'll handle it. So what we'll do, if carry not equal to 0, if carry is not equal to 0, then what we'll do, we'll assign into temp dot next equal to, again, address of one node will create list node, and value what it will be, value will be your carry comma nil. So if you will see here also we have stored. Now I think it's proper. Let's format it. Now let's run it. Okay, syntax error cannot use assignment. Okay, so break a mistake we did here equal to assignment. Okay, so not equal to, actually we have to give not equal to nil. Now again run it. Okay, so if you will see it is accepted, let's try to submit it. Okay, great, it is submitted. Solution is submitted. 9 milliseconds time it has taken, and we are 46.47% ahead from others. Memory 4.54. And so guys, this is how you can solve this problem. If you have any doubts, you can put in comments. Thank you very much.